Deep in northern Tanzania, near Lake Eyasi, lives a small group of people who have resisted modern life for thousands of years. The Hadzabe don't follow calendars. They don't build permanent homes. Their entire life depends on nature.
Every morning begins with a hunt. Armed with handmade bows and poison-tipped arrows, the men move silently through the bush. Their targets are small animals, birds, and sometimes monkeys. Hunting here is not a sport, it's survival. Deep in the wild, where survival depends entirely on skill and instinct, the Hadzabe tribe rely on a hunting tradition that has remained unchanged for thousands of years. They track animals with remarkable precision and patience. They read footprints in the dust. They listen closely to the subtle movements of the forest. Armed with handmade bows and carefully crafted arrows, they move silently through the landscape. They target birds and small animals. They also hunt agile monkeys that leap through the trees. This requires quick reflexes and perfect timing. When the opportunity arises, they do not hesitate to hunt creatures many would fear. Even snakes become part of their hunt. Capturing them demands courage and deep knowledge. A single mistake could be deadly. Yet for the Hadzabe, fear is secondary to survival. Once the hunt is successful, the animal is prepared using simple but effective methods. It is often cooked over an open fire. Sometimes it is eaten in ways that preserve its nutrients. Nothing goes to waste. In this environment, every hunt matters. Every meal is essential. It reflects a way of life where humans remain deeply connected to nature, living not above it, but within it.
Ku benena pe un